Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create search filters using the CubeWP. This video is perfect for those looking to enhance their site's search functionality with taxonomies and custom fields. Let's dive into the steps. To get started, log into your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to CubeWP and find the search filter section. Look for the search filter option in the CubeWP menu and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can configure your search filter. Now, select your post type. Choose the post types you want to include in your search. Make sure to include WordPress default post if needed. Drag and drop taxonomies. This is where you can add custom taxonomies to your search filter. You can organize these taxonomies and customize their appearance based on your needs. Options include checkboxes, dropdowns, and the ability to use Select to UI for enhanced user interaction. Once you've organized your taxonomies and made any necessary adjustments, click on Save Changes to apply and save your modifications. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom search filter using CubeWP. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.